Hey, I've got a question for you. Have you ever created a listing that you were so proud of? I mean, it was absolutely perfect. You filled in every blank, you dotted every I, you crossed every T. Your photography was amazing. You just knew it was a grand slam. You take a bow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Then you hit publish. And crickets? Great. Now what do? You literally gave it your all and you have no idea how to improve on that. So, how do you actually create a cash cow listing from start to finish? Or how do you take a dead listing and revive it? That is exactly what you're going to learn in this 8-part series. I'm going to teach you how to make sure your listing sells even if you're a total newbie. And if you do this for every listing, your shop will be a raving success. Today, in part 1, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to research your product. We are going to pick a product and research it to death. Welcome to Cha-Ching. My name's Terry, and I'll be your guide through the Etsy maze, and your partner in crime, all things small business. Now, let's get right into it. Today, you will only need one program to follow along. This is not the only tool that I use, but it is our jumping off point. I will share other tools as we move through the series. We will start with Erank. You will hear this program mentioned a lot on my channel. This is in no way sponsored. I just absolutely love this program. If you do not have an account, pause the video and go ahead and create one. The free version will work just fine for you to follow along. But I use the basic plan. It's $5.99 a month, and I literally wear it out researching my products. Okay, so you probably already have a product in mind. No! Research always comes first, unless you're trying to revive an old listing. I need to get that drilled into your head from the start. For the purpose of this series, I want you to create a whole new listing. Once you get the hang of this, you can spend time reviving old listings. But for now, let's all be on the same page. Research first, then pick the product. Obviously, if you already have a shop, the product will need to fit into your niche, and you can tailor your searches to make sure that the product will sell and is consistent with your niche. Enough of the ground rules. Here we go. You're going to want to start with a very general product. Shirts are widely sold and purchased on Etsy, so that's a good place to start. Many say that shirts are oversaturated. Not. Crappy shirts are oversaturated. Boring shirts are oversaturated. But really great shirts are not. Feel free to jump on whatever we find today and sell it in your own shop if it fits your niche. So you're going to start at the top search bar. Just type in the word shirt and hit enter. As you can see, the popularity of shirts is only increasing on Etsy. So it's just under 18,000 for July of 2022. But then we're over 48,000 for last month. So as you can see, the trend is up. Now, competition is about what you would expect. Astronomical. Over 12 million listings competing for the keyword shirt. So definitely that's too general. Okay, so when we scroll down here to the keywords, you can see that it's all mixed up. We want to sort everything by competition. So you're going to click this. I think you have to click it twice. And then you're going to be competition, highest to lowest. Red is terrible. Orange is not so great at all. Yellow is eh. And then green is really pretty good. Okay, so you're looking for a certain combination of competition versus searches. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, we're not worried about the red right now. We're just trying to narrow this down a little bit. So basically, this is where you say to yourself, okay, I have a shop that sells pet items, or I have in my shirt shop a section that's dog shirts. Okay, so then you would come over here and you would look at the search volume. So, it's holy criminy. June, over 10,000 people in the month of June this year searched for dog shirt. Okay, so very popular. Okay, oh wait, but look at cat shirt. It's even more stable. Ooh, same for May, cat shirt. Okay, I like cat shirt. So for the sake of time, let's just go with cat shirt. Now you're just going to click on this, and this is drilling down. We're going to go straight on down to the keywords. Once again, you're going to sort your Etsy competition column. Okay. Now from here, we are going to go down and look for the green. You can also pay attention to yellow and orange a little bit. The rule is green is for title. Yellow is if you run out of green and you need some extra keywords in your description. And I would pretty much keep orange to tags if you run out of both of those. So obviously you use every green word that you can find first, then you go to yellow, then you go to orange. And I would just completely stay away from red. Okay, so we're going to look in the green. 20,000 seems like a lot, almost 20,000, but out of, 12 million people for the words shirt, this is looking pretty good, right? So you're going to start looking here in custom cat shirt sticks out. Oh yeah, see, this would be a good one because we're in October right now. And November, that search volume shoots up, and then look at December. So this would be something where you would have this month to get it listed and do everything that you need to do. By December, you could be having sales, even by November, actually. So we're going to now also narrow down here. Okay, and here, don't worry about that there are not a lot of keywords that come up under this one. Really what we're wanting to pay attention to is the tabs now, because we're getting small enough now to where we need to start looking here. Ignore SERP and top tags for now, and we're just going to go look at what are the top listings for this keyword, custom cat shirts. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to sort your estimated sales highest to lowest. That's very cute. It's like two little cats, and it's probably got a name underneath. Looks like it's in full color, so that's the price range we'd want to be in. Look at their estimated revenue. This listing is less than 2 years old, and it's already had more than 3,300 sales. They have made almost $83,000 on this one listing alone. That's amazing. Okay. Ignore any sort of lowballers, that's a dog shirt for an actual dog. But you're here to make money, so we're going to compare ourselves with what we think the average would be. And if I'm selling shirts, I'm selling them for $25 a piece. Maybe I'm putting them on sale for $18 or $19, but that would be the actual price of it before sale. So now let's click on this listing and take a little bit deeper look. So you see a lot of information here. A lot of that won't really mean anything to you right now. What I want you to pay attention to is the keywords that they're using. So I always sort high to low again. And the first thing I would say is this listing is doing really well. And if you're going to compete with it, you're not going to be able to have these red keywords. This is a really great reason that we do not copy keywords exactly from another listing. This shirt is selling like crazy, and you're going to have to, in order to beat that, you're going to have really great keywords. So there's our custom cat shirt keyword, right? And this would be okay. And this would even be okay for just a tag Except, no, it wouldn't, because that search volume's terrible. And then you have 2 down here that literally have no search volume. So that's just a waste of your tags. You want all of your tags to be as good as possible in the green with search volume. If it gets pretty skimpy and you don't have enough tags for whatever you're looking for, we're going to have plenty for custom cat shirt. You're going to be able to find all kinds of cat keywords that are going to work. I would even use this one, cat dad shirt. Looks like around Christmas and probably before Father's Day. Okay, so right now we're going to hit the back button, because now that I've seen all this, what they've got going on, now I want to go to the top tags. And from this, we're going to try to get the beginnings of our actual keywords that we're going to use. Once again, you're going to sort, and you're going to scroll down until you get to sort of the orange, yellow, green area. Okay, so there's our keyword, custom cat shirt. Cat themed gifts, see, that would be another one that you could do. Several months out of the year, it's got over 1,000. That's really good. And cat mama shirt is only for March, but that's why you either have different keywords so that they could work for different months and your shirt would get consistent traffic throughout the year, or you do different listings based on. So you would have a cat mama shirt, and maybe you would have one that's just based on gifts for cat people, but you could actually add that to either one of those. Here we go, cat face shirt. So that would be, different months. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these keywords on a spreadsheet. I want you to list them highest value to lowest value. Okay, so our highest value is going to be custom cat shirt. Then I would probably put cat themed gifts. And then you want to highlight those in green on your spreadsheet. And any of these other keywords that you want to use. Okay, and then I would start putting the yellows. And I would put maybe some of the oranges, like cat hoodie. That's really pretty good. So prioritize all these. Highest to lowest value, highest being green. Keep in mind, you don't even need a design at this point. This is the very thing that will tell you what to design. So now we know we want to do a custom cat shirt. Your homework will be to do your own research on Erank to find other keywords that will match within this listing. Comment below if you already have a few ideas. I'll do my own research and tell you what keywords I landed on in video 2 of this series. Here's the deal. Research can seem like so much to do, but it is literally the foundation of creating sales. It is no good to have a great product, amazing photos, and a well-written description if nobody can even see your listing. Gone are the days when you could slap up a product based on your own estimation of how the market would receive it. If you base your products off of real research, half the battle is already won. A tool like Erank makes it easy to do that research. And believe me, you will get really fast at finding the hidden gems amongst the sea of keywords. Please hit the like button if you've gotten value from this content. Also, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss new content when it's uploaded. You do not want to miss the rest of this series. Thank you so much for staying to the end, and until next time, see you later, alligator.